Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 19 update with Lore. So how's it going, Lore, so far?
Eamon, I feel like I cannot stop smiling. It's going very good.
That's good. So this is week 19. This is your last chance to quit.
This is too easy, too good.
Okay, that's good. So how much do you weigh today?
I weigh 136 pounds.
So that's how much total weight?
30-pound weight loss.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's really good. And that was like, I won't say that was your goal, because each time when we agree on a goal, you exceed my expectations.
I exceeded my expectations too, Eamon.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think 136, I think that's good, unless you would like to change it, right? So usually I don't ask people to stop, but for you I would say, okay, that's really good. You're like you lost 30 pounds and 20 weeks, 19 weeks actually, and you're doing really good. So how do you feel, like energy level, like?
You know, Eamon, I was, before we started this program, for energy, I needed to have energy drinks in the afternoon. And since I started, of course, I haven't had any, and I don't even think about them now. And so I feel good, I sleep good. It's just really good. This program has worked a miracle with me.
That's really good. Like, is it a diet program? What we
Nope.
learn? Okay.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
So what's the difference between what we learn and a diet program?
What we're learning is we learn actually about our bodies and how our bodies and food work together. But a diet program just tells you, like, calories in, calories out. That's the way it works. But what we've learned here in this program, that's not at all how it works. And so, and of course, because we know the calories in, calories out, people gain weight all the time. Even if they do a diet, they go back to eating normal and they gain the weight. This has been so different, because even the meals that what I'm eating is like, I'm eating wonderful food, great food, food that I want to eat. Sugar sometimes, you know, like I can have my carbs, but it's just the system.
So the quality of food changed, right?
Yes.
And it's not only the food, like we covered a number of other topics as well.
Yes.
Not only like diet, this is only one component of how to build your new lifestyle.
Right, yes.
And I guess this is the main challenge, that people only focusing on diet when you like to lose weight. But this is one of the things we learned about, right? And we were just focusing more on the education and learn how to change the lifestyle more than the diet.
Yeah, and how the body works with all this stuff. I'm even, when I go home, I always tell my husband what we learned in our classes all these weeks, and he's learning about different things of our body and how it works, and he's getting a good education. And he doesn't have weight to lose, but just learning about diet or how the body works with the food we put in it. He really enjoys it. The education part of it. Whether he doesn't need to lose the weight, but just to know how his body is working and why.
So what will be your future goal? Like next week we're finishing this journey. So in the future, like, I have no concern that you will gain back the weight. I will see it happening, right? But what will be your future?
I just want to continue this new way of eating and thinking about my food, and how what I'm putting into my body, how it's making my body happy. And if it's making my body happy, it makes my mind happy and my emotions happy. And that's the thing, even my husband's seen my joy and even feeling happy because I feel good because of what I'm putting in.
Yeah. But it's all connected, right?
It is, and
it's not only one change we should make to improve our health.
No.
We have to change a number of things. And the only way to, like, before we make any change, we have to learn why we are doing that. Then we learn how to.
And it was simple, I'll be honest, Eamon. It's been really basically simple.
Yeah, that's right. We simply followed common sense approach. Like, what's bad for you, simply you just leave it.
Yeah.
Right? And you just eat whatever like normal healthy person should eat.
And even
Right.
food, you've sort of awakened my senses in a way to a variety and different food. And now when I sit down and eat my meal, it's like, I'm so excited because I've got a variety, I've got different stuff that I maybe haven't really tried or thought to eat.
Yeah.
And now I do, and now it's even a more wonderful experience when I sit and eat my food.
That's good. That's good. So, is there a secret food you have to eat, or a specific food you
Nope.
have to eat every day,
Nope.
or a
Nope.
secret recipe for losing
Nope.
weight? Right?
No, none of that. That's why I say it's in a way. I look at this whole thing and it's been simple.
Very good. Excellent. Yeah. So, thank you so much, and I look forward to have the final interview with you next week.
Me
And
too.
I wish you best of luck.
Thank you,
so
Eamon.
much.